Hi again everyone. Jalingo's word of the week is jankro. You may hear Jamaicans using this term as an insult to describe someone as disgusting or as a scavenger. The term jankro comes from the bird John Crow, carrion crow, or turkey vulture, which is a species which feeds on dead animals. It is also used to describe someone who is worthless or a scum. Jankro also refers to someone who is lower than life. You may hear the term jankro being used in a situation such as this. Kevin love the liquor jankro. It don't make no sense getting in trouble with police over him. This actually means, Kevin, leave the scum alone. It makes no sense to get in any problems with the police for him. A second example of jankro. Oi jankro, come out of my tree and stop taking my mango them. This actually means, thief, come out of my tree and stop stealing my mangoes. Related words, thief and worthless. Remember to download the exclusive Jalingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.